Hello boys and girls, this will be another quick video just explaining the work that you need to do for this task. Okay, so we're looking at character development in this section. This is chapter 3, lesson 2. So I need for you to listen, and now you could either do this in your audio file or you have access to the transcript and you could look for the clues, okay? So you could use both, whatever one you would like to. But I want you to look out for clues that show us Rat is brave and heroic when he rescues his friends. And then I want you to list what evidence you find in the text, okay? So I've given you 4 bullet points there. That's the maximum I'm expecting. The least I'm expecting is 2 bullet points, okay, boys and girls? So, yes, that's task 1. In task 2, what I want you to do, again, looking at the text, finding the evidence. I want you to compare Rat's behaviour to Mole's behaviour. Now, I've created a little table for you. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about or look for Rat's behaviour in the wild woods, and then you're going to write it in the Rat's table. Then I want you to look at for evidence in the text for Mole's behaviour in the wildwood, and then you're going to write it in there. And I want you to compare each of the characters' behaviour. Okay, so it says in chapter 3, a brace of pistols and a cudgel. Using your research skills, okay, so on the internet, can you type in the Google bar and see if you can find out what a brace of pistols and a cudgel might be, and write your findings down below, okay? I want you to think about the part where it says Rat armed himself. Why do you think he did that? Why do you think Rat armed himself in chapter 3? Now remember, you've got to find the evidence. You might say, I think Rat armed himself because it says, okay? Do we know what might be so terrible in the wild woods? Okay? So think about what we already know in the wild woods. Okay, and use that to help you answer that. Do we know what might be so terrible in the wild woods? So what's so terrible in the wild woods? And that's all you need to do for your reading lesson today, boys and girls.